Alright guys, we at Target and I see some good ones right here. I'm pretty sure this is a treasure hunt. Another one. I only take two. I wouldn't take more than two. Even if it gets more. Because I like to open one and then just leave one seal. Alright. Majorette 2005 Bugatti Veyron 16.4 Super Sport. Oh. This one is a real cool one. And you gotta collect all 6 of them. Let's see if it is our lucky day today. If we have the 6th pair today. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. I like this one too. I like it. '85 Toyota Hilux SR5 pickup. Ooh. Wait. I think we got all 6 pairs right here. 1965 Shelby GT350. Wow. 1995 Toyota Supra. Sexy, too sexy. Wow. Super clean. I ain't gonna lie. And we have here a 1975 Porsche 930 Turbo. Wow. Look at that green, metallic green. Wow. Gorgeous. Look at that beauty in there. A wheel swap, and let's go. Oh, I'm taking this one. Wait, I didn't know this brand can make cars like with this type of quality. Cause they look pretty cool to me. Good details. Lamborghini Sian FKP 37, right? And we had the Ferrari F90 S-Trail. Oh, it looked like they had different colors in the same casting. Oh, this jello is hot.
Sí, verdad.
Ferrari Monza SP1. Wait, but this is fire though. I didn't know this is sixth. Wow. All right, guys, we have the new Matchbox 2016 Chevy Colorado Extreme. We have a 67 Alfa Romeo. We have a 1970 Citroen. (2016) Fiat 500X. (1968) Ford Mustang Fastback. Ooh, I like this one. International Terrastar Paramedics. MBS Reader King. Oh, this one's nice. (2022) Ford Bronco Sport. This is 2026, guys. Rich Rider, second.